I have a Richmond Model 9G40-38F1. I started out and replaced the thermo coupler because I was not getting the pilot ton stay on. The pilot light burns good, but when the main burner kicks on it has a nice blue flame but then flames out. So I put a new regulator on and it does the same thing. The heater is only about 6 to 7 years old. Tom.
Hi, I can help you with this. Which regulator are you referring to? Also, is this a natural gas or an LP heater?
It is natural gas, the main regulator that screws in the tank.
How long does the main burner go before it flames out? Does the pilot light go out when the main burner goes out?
It lasts maybe 3 seconds or so before going out, and yes, the pilot goes out also.
There are several factors that could cause this. It's possible that your burner and pilot need to be cleaned, your new regulator, or gas control valve could be faulty, or, most likely, you're getting insufficient gas supply to the unit. Diagnosis will require a manometer to determine if you have sufficient gas flow to the unit. A qualified tech will connect the manometer to the gas control valve and measure the supply pressure while the burner kicks on. The results he gets will then lead him to pinpoint the problem. Do you have other gas appliances in the house and are they working properly?
The water heater is connected to the same gas line as the furnace. They both sit in the same room about 3 feet apart. I had the new regulator FedEx overnight. It better not be bad. When I had it apart, the burner and pilot looked very clean.
If the furnace is working properly, you probably have a restriction in the valve or the gas supply line that supplies the water heater. Alternately, you could have a restriction internally in the new regulator. Diagnosis with a manometer will be necessary to pinpoint the problem. Is the furnace working properly?
Sounds to me like I better not get a Richmond. The shutoff valve was open when I had it apart, and I can't see a new reg having a restriction in it. Yes, the furnace is running fine.
It may not be the water heater's problem. Your gas line, even before the shutoff valve, could have a restriction. Testing the pressure will be the only way to determine where the problem lies.
It would take a lot of restriction to fill up a 1/2 inch line, and the line I had apart was clean as a whistle. I think I will try a new thermo just to make sure. Who knows?
I don't think a new thermocouple is going to help you. If your pilot is staying lit and then goes out when the burner calls for gas, that's indicative of a gas supply problem. Something as simple as excess Teflon tape or pipe thread compound, when lodged in the right place, can shut down the gas supply sufficiently to cause the symptoms you're describing.
Not my first day of using Teflon tape. Thanks anyway, I'll do some more investigation.
Feel free to ask any more questions. Is this a sealed burner? On sealed burner water heaters, the air supply filter that prevents flame back can get completely clogged. This is a common problem in the early sealed burner heaters.
No, it is not a sealed burner.
I would still recommend diagnosing gas supply pressure with a manometer. Feel free to ask any more questions.
Thanks. Have a happy new year. Got to go.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.